Hello friends, welcome in Pharmaceutical Chemistry first. Myself, lecturer Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gaudi, MPharm in Quality Assurance and lecturer in KK Wagh Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori. So let's start with experiment number 14. Title of the experiment, Assay of Magnesium Sulfate to determine the percent weight by weight of magnesium sulfate in a given sample of magnesium sulfate. So let's start. Learning objective. After watching this video, student will able to understand intellectual skill, that means to understand the concept of assay, to identify titrant and titrate in the titration, to understand the concept of factor calculation, to understand the concept of percentage purity, then motor skill to observe the correct meniscus of the solution in the burette, to observe the color change at the end point of the titration. Now let's start with concept regarding this complexometric type of titration. This assay is based upon complexometric type of titration in which simple metal ion is transferred into complex ion by addition of reagent which is known as ligand. The complex form is stable and water soluble. In this titration, metal ion accepts electron and ligand means complexing or chelating agent donate it. As in a ligand molecule, there is a presence of at least one lone pair of electron through which coordinate linkage with the metal ion takes place. Ligand molecule usually possesses oxygen, nitrogen or sulfur in one or more number in their structure. Ligands are classified depending upon their number of sites for attachment, that is unidentate means single site, bidentate two site, multidentate many sites. Disodium editate is a multidentate ligand which forms complex with metal ion by donating lone pair of electron in presence of strong ammonia-ammonium chloride buffer. The end point is determined by addition of modern black second as an indicator. The color change from pale pink to blue. So, the reaction involved, chemical reaction which is involved in complexometric titration. This is the general reaction. The process of complex formation can be represented by this reaction Mg2+ means magnesium ion plus sodium editate, that gives metal ion plus 2 hydrogen ions. So, this is the chemical reaction which is involved in assay of magnesium sulfate, magnesium ion plus disodium editate in presence of strong ammonia-ammonium chloride buffer having pH 10. It forms magnesium editate complex. Okay, here magnesium ion forms 2 coordinate bond with the nitrogen atom because nitrogen is present in disodium editate. So, with nitrogen, magnesium ion forms coordinate bond and this is represented by arrow. Now factor given for standardization, each ml of 0.05 molar EDTA is equivalent to 0.0654 grams of zinc. Factor for assay, each ml of 0.05 molar disodium editate is equivalent to 0.00602 grams of magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate contain not less than 99% and not more than 105% of magnesium sulfate calculated with the reference to dried substance. Then apparatus which are required for procedure, burette, pipette, conical flask and burette stand, and the chemicals. Magnesium sulfate, disodium editate which is approximately 0.05 molar, strong ammonia-ammonium chloride buffer, modern black second, granulated zinc, 2 molar, sodium hydroxide, dilute hydrochloric acid, bromine water and ammonia buffer. Now for actual procedure we move towards laboratory. Hello friends, welcome in Pharmaceutical Chemistry first. So let's start with assay of magnesium sulfate. In previous session we already discussed the principal, reaction, factor, apparatus and the chemical which are required for actual procedure. So let's start with procedure. So let's start with standardization. For that we require 0.8 gram of granulated zinc. Very accurately 0.8 gram of granulated zinc. transfer this into conical flask. Now add the 12 ml of dilute HCl into the conical flask, which contains 0.8 gram of zinc, granulated zinc. Now dissolve this zinc into dilute HCl by warming it on heating burner. Now add 0.1 ml of bromine water into this solution. After addition of bromine water, we have to heat this solution so that excess of bromine get evolved. Heat for few minutes so that excess of bromine get evolved. After boiling for 10 minutes, cool this solution in water bath. Now our solution is cool. Now add distilled water to produce 200 ml of this resulting solution. Shake vigorously for 5 minutes and then pipette out 20 ml of this solution to titrate against 0.05 molar disodium edetate. Take 50 ml of this resulting solution and transfer into conical flask. To this solution, we have to add 2 molar sodium hydroxide solution for neutralization. Add 2 to 3 ml of this 2 molar sodium hydroxide solution. Shake it properly and dilute this solution about 150 ml of water. Then dilute this solution about 150 ml of distilled water. So add 130 ml of water. So it becomes 150 ml of resulting solution. 50. And again add sufficient ammonia buffer pH 10 to dissolve this precipitate. 5 ml in excess, so the precipitate get dissolved into ammonia buffer solution. Here all the precipitate is dissolved in ammonia buffer having pH 10. After addition of modern black second, we got pink colored solution. Now titrate this solution again 0.05 molar disodium edetate. During titration, shake the solution properly so reaction must occur properly. Our endpoint is pink to bottle green. pink color get converted into bottle green color, and burette reading is 24.8. Repeat this procedure for 3 times and calculate mean for standardization to find out molarity of standardization of 0.05 molar disodium editate. Now let's start with assay. For that, weigh accurately 0.3 gram of magnesium sulfate. Transfer it into 250 ml of conical flask and dissolve these 0.3 gram of magnesium sulfate with 50 ml of distilled water. Shake it properly and then add 10 ml of strong ammonium chloride vapor into conical flask. Mix well and add 0.1 gram of modern black second as an indicator. After addition of modern black, we got this pink colored complex compound. Titrate this with 0.05 molar disodium editate. Here is the end point. Pink color turned into bluish color. So our burette reading is 47.5. Similar way, we have to repeat this procedure for 3 times. Then calculate mean and this value put into the assay calculation to find out the percent purity of the assay of magnesium sulfate. With calculation for standardization of disodium editate, first of all let's see reading. Burette reading for standardization 24.8, 24.7 and 24.8 and the mean is 24.8. So formula, molarity is equal to weight of granulated zinc divided by burette reading into 0.0654. Put the value into formula and reading, and the molarity is 0.049 molar. Okay, now let's start with assay calculation to find out the percent purity of magnesium sulfate. Assay reading 47.5, 47.5 and 47.6 and mean is 47.5. So factor given, each ml of 0.05 molar disodium editate is equivalent to 0.00460,235 grams of magnesium sulfate. So 47.5 ml of 0.049, that is calculated molarity of disodium editate, will give how many grams of magnesium sulfate. So put the value into formula and reading is 0.280 grams of magnesium sulfate. Now 0.3, which is weight quantity for SA, will contains how many grams of magnesium sulfate. So 0.0060235 into 0.049 into 47.5 divided by 0.05 into 0.3. So 0.934 grams of magnesium sulfate. 0.3 gram contains 0.934 gram of magnesium sulfate. Now we have to calculate percent purity of magnesium sulfate. So 100 gram contains 0.0060235 into 0.049 into 47.5 divided by 0.05 into 0.3 into 100. So percentage purity is 93.46% weight by weight of magnesium sulfate. Now let's move towards result part. The calculated molarity for disodium eridate was found to be 0.049 molar, and the percentage purity for magnesium sulfate is 93.46% weight by weight of magnesium sulfate. Thank you.